Hello everyone. Today we have Dr. Mahesh Bandimigal with us. Dr. Mahesh Bandimigal is a cancer surgeon specializing in scarless breast surgeries. Dr. Mahesh Bandimigal heads the Department of Surgical Oncology for HCG. Welcome Dr. Mahesh.
Hello, Priyank.
So Dr. Mahesh, is it true that the incidence of breast cancer is increasing, and if it is so, what are the reasons for it?
Yeah, you are right. Worldwide, we all know worldwide, breast cancer is the commonest cancer among women. And the same trend is happening in India also. Now it has overtaken cervical cancer as the commonest cancer in India, especially more so in urban areas. And also we are seeing, compared to Western countries, we are seeing that our Indian patients are getting cancer a decade earlier. We are seeing a lot of patients in their 30s and 40s suffering with breast cancer, which is a very disturbing trend what we are seeing nowadays. The causes are multifactorial. Mainly what we feel is the lifestyle changes, which has made a lot of difference in the incidence of breast cancer. For example, people are having a lot of stressful lives, lack of exercise, obesity, and unhealthy diet, alcoholism, and smoking. These are some of the lifestyle changes which may be the reason for increasing the breast cancer incidence. And also we are seeing that the women are getting married later, at a much older age, and also the first delivery, childbirth happens after the age of 30 years. So these things have been the reasons for increasing the incidence of breast cancer.
That was informative. So Dr. Mahesh, what should a woman do if they found a lump in their breast?
It's very simple. It depends on what age the person is. If it's a young female, if she has a lump in her breast, nothing to fear, because more than 90% of these lumps are non-cancerous. So it's very simple. You can just go and get yourself examined by a surgeon or a gynecologist. They will just do a simple examination, and maybe they will advise some ultrasound tests to be done. With that, we can diagnose the cause of the lump. In elderly patients, we should be very careful, because majority of these lumps can be cancerous. So when you have to go and meet your surgeon or a gynecologist, they will examine you and advise you a mammogram, and if required, biopsy will be done, core biopsy, needle biopsy will be done, which can help you to know the cause of your lumps.
So Dr. Mahesh, there might be a fear amongst women that they might lose their breast because of cancer. So how far is it justified?
Absolutely not. There is no need to fear. Mastectomy means removal of the breast is not required at present. Lot of data, worldwide data, with large number of trials and with 20 years of follow-up have shown that removal of the breast is not necessary in treating the breast cancer. Conservative breast cancer surgeries, wherein we preserve the breast, has shown equal result and also better quality of life. So with this data, we can say that breast cancer surgery doesn't require removal of your breast.
So Dr. Mahesh, is chemotherapy dangerous?
Absolutely not. Chemotherapy plays an important role in the management of breast cancer, and chemotherapy shown an improvement in survival in breast cancer patients. Usually we give multiple drugs, combination of chemotherapy drugs, and they can have mild side effects in the form of weakness, nausea, vomiting, and fall in blood counts, which can be easily managed with drugs. And also lot of patients can develop hair fall, which is temporary. And majority of these patients, and almost 100% of these patients, will get back the hair. So there is no need to worry about hair fall.
So Dr. Mahesh, how can we prevent breast cancer?
Yeah, fortunately it is possible to decrease your chance of getting breast cancer. It's very basic and very simple. You have to change your lifestyle. Most important is you should have adequate rest, you should have good exercise, and you have to have control on your diet, control your obesity, and stop smoking and decrease your intake of alcohol. These things will go in a long way to decrease your risk of breast cancer.
Thank you so much, Dr. Mahesh. We believe that this information will be helpful for everyone. Thank you.